It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, May 31st, 2017. I'm James Spann, wrapping up meteorological spring today with a muggy air mass and a few storms on radar. And we stay soupy, humid, muggy for a while, probably until sometime in late September. Let's go in there and check it out. Here's the water vapor satellite view around the nation today. Upper troughing north of the state. Down below that, very muggy air all the way from Texas across the Gulf Coast states, and that's the radar at 243. Most of the storms south of Interstate 20 today. Some of the heaviest rain falling over the black belt of West Alabama, places like Demopolis, Uniontown, over toward Browns and Selma. A few showers in Tuscaloosa, Shelby, Chilton, Talladega counties moving east. Temperatures are mostly in the 80s. Anniston, 79, thanks to a nearby rain shower. And again, we'll see highs like that really for the next 5 days, low to mid-80s. Around the nation, see a couple of severe thunderstorm watches, one for the northeast United States, one for parts of Kansas and Missouri. Severe weather possible basically in those zones for the rest of today and tonight. We, again, will certainly have the chance of thunder here, but no organized severe weather expected. Tomorrow, 3 marginal risks, none of them close to Alabama. And on day 3, Friday, a marginal risk well to the north. Rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Mostly 1 to 2 inches for much of the state, but as we often point out this time of the year, rainfall distribution is very uneven. Some people could see more, some could see less because of the scattered nature of the storms. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up, troughing over the northeast United States. We have a trough in the Southwest U.S., and a moist air mass. And the models will just struggle to tell us exactly who gets the rain and when. It's almost impossible to do. Here's the high-resolution NAM tomorrow at 4 o'clock, and this is suggesting maybe like today, the higher coverage of showers and storms could be south of Interstate 20, now also some up in southern Tennessee, but everybody across the state has the chance of a passing shower or storm tomorrow. Otherwise, a mix of sun and clouds with a high in the low and mid-80s. Friday, pretty much the same deal. I know that the moisture seems to be a little decreased on this run. Mid-80s, a mix of sun and clouds, the chance of a shower during the day. Pretty much the same deal Saturday. And understand, we're getting into the time of the year where it's going to be hard to find a day with no chance of rain. Now, we might see some next week, but between now and August, most days will have some chance of these scattered showers and storms. I would not let that interfere with your daytime plans outdoors. Just be ready for a passing storm. Saturday's high mid-80s, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Mid-80s, some sun, scattered showers and storms. Monday of next week, storms could be a little more active with an approaching front. You can see a surface low near Cleveland. Tuesday, drier air begins to move in. We have a northerly flow, the better chance of showers and storms probably shifting down into South Alabama. And look at Wednesday of next week. Big trough on the eastern seaboard. That's very anomalous for June. And if this is right, that's going to be a beautiful day. Check out the precipitable water. That's a very dry air mass for June. Continental air, lower humidity, bright sunshine, and cooler than average. These are temperature anomalies next Wednesday. Below average for much of the east. And we'll sure take that. This could suggest highs maybe upper 70s with a fresh north breeze. Here's the end of the forecast period, Saturday, June 10th. Heights a little below average, and again, that looks fairly quiet. Check out the numbers coming off the GFS run. I don't think we see 90 Saturday. Those top-end numbers look too high. We'll expect mid-80s this weekend, but I do think we could see highs back in the upper 70s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and the GFS here showing a low of 52 by early Thursday morning of next week, and that'll feel good if by chance that happens. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.